We are moving, guys. We are moving. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Crustless Crypto here, back in a video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I'll be giving away $50 to $100 worth of EGLD once we hit that mark, so please smash the subscribe button. I also have a website, crustlesscrypto.com. Make sure you check it out. It's your one-stop shop for all things latest and greatest in the crypto space. Articles are updated daily, and I also have a Twitter, Crustless Crypto. Links are both in the description down below. So it's going to be a long video, guys, so make sure you guys go through the tags so you don't have to watch it all, or if you want to, that'll be fine as well. But we have a lot to talk about in terms of Elrond, a lot of news, a lot of updates, and of course, the price. So let's get into it here. Elrond sitting at $272, up 19%, guys. Huge movement going on. It's already broken its all-time high. If you look at the year, right, look at that. Last time we went up here was in February, hitting around, April, when we were hit around $240. We went above that, and we're chilling at $272, guys. This is huge. Market cap's at $5.2 billion. Nowhere close to any of these top 10 coins are. 29 billion is US dollar coin. Obviously, it is a stable coin, but if you look at the next one, right, Dogecoin, or you look at Terra, still 16 billion. That's 3x from where EGLD is right now. EGLD has gone up in ranking, guys, in the top 100. It's at 32 now. It's up 58% this week. And look at the market. It's not moving with anything else. It's doing its own thing. As you can see, Bitcoin's actually down 8% this week, and a lot of coins are down right now. But if you look at EGLD, Elrond's just sitting at 58% up. So it's not a pump or dump. It's not like it's unaffiliated with the entire market, and it's doing its own thing, which I love. That's the power of the ecosystem, the technology, and I think people are starting to wake up to the coin itself. So let's get into it. Let's talk about some updates here. I'm really glad to see Elrond breaking its all-time high. And I'm just chilling. I hope everyone having a great weekend. I forgot to say that. But yeah, I mean, let's cover some of these news and articles here. So the first one, I know people already know, but for those who don't, I also retweeted this on my Twitter. Massive step forward for global adoption. The world's largest retail economy now has direct access to EGLD. So I've been waiting so long for MoonPay to offer their services for US citizens, and I'm glad that they finally made this available. Now you guys can actually purchase Elrond directly from the Maiar app using MoonPay. Of course, they do take around 0.0, there's a 3% fee, but look, I'd rather do this and have it immediately in my Maiar wallet compared to me going on crypto.com, having to buy it there, getting shortchanged there, and then having to transfer that to my Maiar app. It's just so much easier, guys, so I can just buy it straight from the app. And I think it's going to make a lot of more use case and a lot more mass adoption more easier, especially for U.S. citizens. They're trying to get into the U.S. market. And if you look at Cardano, I mean, Cardano is primarily a U.S.-based coin, right, in my opinion. If we see Cardano, it's sitting at number 3, $86 billion, guys. If Elrond can tap into this market, the U.S. market, it's going to be huge, and it's going to do a lot for the price. Because, I mean, 86 billion compared to 5 billion right now is insane. So, for those who don't know, you can buy EGLD using the Maiar app with MoonPay, guys. So this is awesome news for those who don't know. Let's cover the next one. Now, I'm sure you guys already know about the Untold festival that's happening this year. Actually right now. So the most colorful and entertaining moments of Untold Festival 2019 have been captured in an epic book. It is launching at the Elrond Network Lounge today at 9:30. So obviously this was September 11th and it's yesterday, but it just shows that Elrond's getting publicity. Look at that, guys. They got our lounge. They got people just hanging out over here. It's amazing, guys. It's awesome. I mean, just being able to spread that word and spread kind of like the awareness of like, hey, you know what I mean? Check us out. And you see all these people, all it takes is a simple photo or selfie, and you can definitely, people are going to be asking, oh, what is Elrond? What is EGLD? You know what I'm saying? So this is huge. And I'm not going to say this is what made the price go up, but I'm thinking about it, and the timing is impeccable, right? Because the Maiar exchange is not even out yet. So this is awesome. I'm glad that they did this or out there, and they're promoting themselves and spreading the word. So this is huge. So let's cover the next one here. So Lucian Minku coming out with some hot Ledger updates. So whoever likes to store their crypto on the Ledger wallet, I do have a Ledger myself. Let me see. It's in here somewhere in my cup holder. But new Ledger app update for Elrond Network has been released. So now we have ESDT token support, authentication token support for dApps, and fixes and improvements. So they're already getting their even their Ledger app ready for the Maiar exchange launch, guys. So this is huge. They're not neglecting their ecosystem, and they're updating everything that they have apart. Their hands are touching, basically, right? So version 1.0.15 is in the Ledger Manager, so they're prepping this, and I'm excited for this to actually be able to use my Ledger. Right now, I'm staking my coins on the Maiar wallet, Maiar app itself, but this is amazing. So let's see what else he's saying here. This is a major upgrade ensuring great user interface and compatibility for our Maiar exchange users. Yep, just like I said, kudos to the Ledger team for the responsiveness and guidance. So, I mean, other than that, guys, I mean, this is huge. Awesome update here for those who like to store their crypto and EGLD, specifically in the Ledger Nano S or whatever type of, ledger that you have, right? So, coming up next, we got AI-generated media content comes to Elrond Network via Humans Dotai. So, the development of their powerful technology is supported by Elrond Research through a strategic investment. So, let's take a look here, guys. If we click on the article here coming from Benjamin Minku, we're thrilled to announce that Humans is building on Elrond. The development of the groundbreaking protocol that facilitates the generation of media content through artificial intelligence is supported by a strategic investment from Elrond Research. Humans enable content creators to generate media content with the support of AI. By scanning human faces and recording voices, humans allow the creation of rich media content based on a script without the high production costs typically associated with these activities. Through Humans, production studios, ad agencies, and any content creator can access licensed digital genomes, create rich media, and automate personalized output in one place. Innovators can publish and monetize their AI technologies in a ready-to-sell environment that handles data management, integration, and the sales process. The possibilities of such groundbreaking technologies are truly limitless and will soon allow the creation of videos, games, vlogs, news programs, and other types of media content via powerful AI and machine learning algorithms in a very efficient way that will be available to anyone. The protocol leverages blockchain technology to provide proof of human verification based on the hearts tokens and biometrics. This is essential for real people to play a crucial role as validators in a framework designed to keep AI honest. AI entities generated by the protocol will be made unique in the form of NFTs, which can be managed as companies. And lastly, the Hearts tokens and Humans NFTs will be ESDT tokens on the Elrond network, which will be the blockchain technology powering humans. Their significant achievements in combining groundbreaking technologies will help advance the potential of computer technology to augment human capabilities. So, very, very futuristic, very kind of like holy smack, like. When we talk about artificial intelligence, right, we have seen groundbreaking, innovations in the field of AI. And, will this specific entity, company, whatever you want, blockchain, humans, heart-driven AI, will be able to manifest this on the Elrond network? This is something that I'm interested in seeing. So, let's see what the quotes here. Benjamin Minku, at the intersection of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology, there's an enormous universe of opportunities, and we're excited to support the Humans Initiative to create technologies and products that will expand the ability of people to express themselves, cooperate, and transact in a creative manner. And this is coming from the Human CEO and founder, Sabin Dima. Anyone can license and monetize their digital likeness, voice, gestures, dance moves, or any other skill. And content creators can use any combination to create synthetic actors and highly personalized media assets. We have selected the Elrond network as our blockchain partner because their technology enables every human to interact with the blockchain technology at an internet scale, which is precisely the scope of our endeavor. So again, guys, another collaboration. People are starting to see the power of Elrond. And we have the Human CEO and founder saying, look, we like the Elrond network as our blockchain partner because their technology enables every human to interact with the blockchain on an internet scale. Literally, if you have an internet connection, right, which most people do nowadays, you have access to the blockchain, and that's huge. So awesome update here. So last two news updates here. So I'm sure you guys already know about this, but are you ready to light the fuse for internet scale DeFi? $100,000 in EGLD are ready to be won, and here are the answers to most of your Battle of the Yields questions. So there's a lot of people who are wondering exactly how it was going to work with the Battle of the Yields. So they break it down all here. There's 14 different points. So let's get started here. Timeline, registration is open and Sunday at 12th September. So guys, I'm in Japan right now. So this is coming from UTC time. Now, if you are in this specific time code, keep in mind that you need to register by this date. Competition starts Tuesday, 14th September and ends Tuesday, 28th September. Adjustments are possible and depending on the context. So make sure you guys get in if you're interested. The registration, so how do you register? Go to thebattleoftheyields.com and click join now. And then just do this. You can pause the video or you can go to the tweet itself. All the links to today's video will be in the description. But again, guys, follow this. Input your Battle of Yields wallet address. You can participate with an address that is different from your Maiar address. So make sure you keep that in mind. Input your Telegram username so we can solve your outstanding issues when you reach out to us. They'll never DM you first, but we might add you on the Maiar Exchange channel, so that's important. Again, editing registration info. Again, you guys can just follow the steps here. How do you earn? 50,000 US dollar pool is going to be find security issues and bugs. So guys, if you can find, they're really confident about their exchange right now. And this is keep in mind, this is the last stage before the Maiar exchange goes live. So if somebody can actually find security issues and bugs with the Maiar exchange right now, they're offering a $50,000 US pool. So that's huge. And then for 25K US dollar pool, create useful tools and content. And then another $25,000 is have high yields. So we might shift funds around to reward great work with otherwise unspent EGLD. So they may take allocate a little bit of money from another pool and give it to those as they see fit. So the rules: have fun, don't send/receive X EGLD or tokens to from yourself or other wallets, submit well-documented and valid issues, useful tools, and original content. So again, when you join now, wait for the official kickoff announcement. Again, Tuesday, the 14th of September. Make sure you follow the communications channels and test the DevNet version of the exchange. And then KYC, you don't need KYC, which is pretty cool, but you need to pass the KYC to get your rewards. Obviously, they want to know that if they're sending money to you, they want to make sure they do the KYC, want to stay legally, as legally compliant as they can, right? We'll provide a guide about who should KYC and how as we get info from the leaderboards and submissions. This is talking about leaderboards, a ranking for the participating wallets with the highest total US dollar value. It will be published as the event starts for transparency, obviously, and just to show who won and who's making money. Which testnet? So we're preparing for a new testnet for the event. Existing funds will not carry over even if you use the same wallet. And yes, you can use the same wallet as you did for testing the DevNet version. So a lot of flexibility here, right? And then two more. The last two is Battle of the Yields, important links. So again, guys, just links. And lastly, remember the 14th of September. So they're actually, looking forward to this. They have everything planned. And whoever is actually going to be trying to find the bugs and watching this video, good luck. I hope you win a lot of money. And I hope you do find things that are wrong with the Maiar exchange, because that means we'll be able to fix it, fortify it, and move on and actually start using it. So this is awesome. I can't wait to see what the Battle of the Yields finds, and I'll be covering it on this channel. So again, make sure you guys subscribe. All right, lastly here, if you guys stuck around, thank you. If you guys jumped ahead, welcome to this stage of the video. This is from Lucian Todea, just posted today. The first wave of crypto/blockchain killer apps broke out, which is called #DeFi apps. And now they're coming to the Elrond network through the Maiar exchange. A thread about the importance of DeFi and how DeFi will bring global revolution to the traditional banking space. Again, guys, keep in mind, this is a revolution. This is a change in the way that we do things. Economy, right? Everything is going to the digital age. So let's see. It's a lot of tweets here. DeFi is a concept of replicating traditional financial instruments in a decentralized architecture. In other words, using blockchain technology to recreate systems that are commonplace in the traditional financial sector. DeFi apps aren't managed by institutions, but rather written and embedded in executable code through smart contracts, which enable developers to build far more sophisticated functionalities than simply sending and receiving cryptocurrency. The code itself has that money, has that value. Thus, DeFi shows it's possible to build financial services that are significantly more efficient, inclusive, fair, and transparent, guys. Fairness and transparency are two of the biggest things when it comes to a financial service, right? On Wall Street, value flows inward to institutions, right? It's institutional based. In DeFi, value flows outward to people at the edges. So instead of coming into the institution itself, it's going to the people. The fact that there is no entity that exerts complete control over the system makes the system more reliable, secure, and trustworthy. The promise of DeFi is the same promise of the internet and a lot of other industries: better, more efficient services, and disintermediation. DeFi adds features and liquidity to the crypto community, ultimately making crypto assets more valuable. EGLD and DeFi assets are the perfect match, are complementary to each other. Furthermore, proof-of-stake DeFi smart contracts are the keys that will unlock blockchain's full potential. Decentralized systems will also gain favor as more people recognize the remarkable opportunity ahead and inherent vulnerabilities and unfairness of the traditional financial system. Ultimately, this should help more people adopt the blockchain technology in DeFi. So, to emphasize this, right? Again, decentralized finance is going to be, or hopefully, right, if the institutions don't get in the way, a new way for the people to have power over finances. Not the banks, not governments, but the people, right? One of the cool things about DeFi is that it's an open system that other people can build on top of. A creative concept called money Legos. Maiar Dex is one Lego, and more Legos will come, which is called stable coins, lending, etc. And so builders are welcome to build on top of the Maiar exchange. So awesome kind of eye-opener, kind of philosophical, statement from Lucian Todea. It's a new way of doing things, guys, and I'm excited to be living through this. We are in an age where things are changing, things are evolving, and I'm glad, like I said, to be a part of it. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Everything in this video, I appreciate you if you took the time to watch it in its entirety. I love you guys. Please smash that subscribe button. Again, I'll be giving away $50 to $100 worth of EGLD, so make sure you guys support the channel. So I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of your weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good one.